SNCF is the French train company. It's a national company, but we also operate worldwide. We operate in 170 countries, and we move roughly around 14 million people per day. And I'm Thomas. I work as the head of the cloud native platform solutions. We manage 2,000 applications in production, and 25% of it, so roughly 500, are running with containers. And we host these containers on several different infrastructure solutions, so on public cloud or in data centers. And it can either be at edge locations manually, or we had to do ad hoc analysis with all the different projects. So when you're working with 10 projects, 10 different applications, it's doable. But once you scale up and you scale up to 50, then 100, then 200 different projects, you need to work with 200 different people. We were thinking that it won't be feasible or doable to scale up if we onboard more and more applications. So we had to find a solution. Yeah, you can put alerts in place. So you've got your alarming system that think, okay, you're going to overspend. For us, with the scale we've got, what we wanted to achieve is auto-remedy everything. We cannot manage 1,000, 2,000 alerts per day. The UI in PerfectScale was very, very operational views. You can jump really quickly on, one waste in particular or something very specific that is problematic. What is great is that PerfectScale is fully integrated with automations inside of AWS, because we are using Karpenter on every cluster we've got on AWS. So PerfectScale, that is right-sizing the containers. And then we've got Karpenter that's doing the magic toward the nodes. So once we activate the Autopilot mode, everything is gonna automatically downsize, etc., or we can change the VM size automatically, etc. We don't do anything as a platform team, and the less we do, the less we have to manually, change configuration, etc., the better we are. Just by using the Autopilot mode in PerfectScale, we already reduced more than 1,300 CPU cores, and that's just like this. Okay, you just activate Autopilot mode and poof, you reduce the number of CPUs you're using. €500,000 a year of cost reduction. Jump in, go for it, test it. Test it and see how it goes with your workloads, with whatever Kubernetes solution you may be using or whatever type of container you're running. Test it. And I'm quite confident that most of the time it's going to work great. After more than a year of usage with real workloads, not just test workloads, it works great.